In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Pages section. And the last one we looked at the site menu, how to add links to your site menu, how to add pages. But this one, if you notice, is a little different. And it does show you the name. And what's nice is I can come here and search for a name. Even if I don't know the whole name, I can say child nutrition and everything with child's going to come up. So I can come here and edit the page. I can duplicate this page. So if I'm creating several pages, very similar, I can start my first one, edit it, make all the changes, especially like you're looking at teacher pages and things like that, and then just duplicate it, rename it. I can come here, rename it, and then just edit it. So that saves you a lot of just establishing the same things over and over, your titles and things like that. So, and if I clear this here, you see it I can put them in alphabetical order. So when I click here, I can come here. If I know, I'm not sure the name, but it's similar or starts with a C, I can come look for it. And then on this section, you also have where you can search by status. So right now I have everything that's published or drafts, which means they're active. I can look for archive as well. If it's an old page that I no longer use, so I removed it from my menu, and now I want to come back and I can search this as well. So I can come here and then pull it back and restore it with this tool here. And so I'm going to go back to just my publish and draft again. And you see it pops up. And see, some of these say draft and no, it's not on the menu, but some of my published says no, not in the menu, which means it's in my site menu. And there may be several reasons. I just don't want my menu to be so full that you're constantly clicking to this. So from pages, I may link to other pages, and so I don't have it in my site menu. And that's just kind of a preference, what you want to do. Again, I can edit, unpublish it from here. So if I want to work on something, even though I don't want to take it off my menu or anything, I just want to unpublish it, work on it, edit it, and then once I have it to where it's updated, then I can publish it again. So that's a good tool. You can just put it in draft, work on it. Of course, when your users go to click on the link will still be there and it will say page not found. So you don't want to leave it indefinitely or long periods of time, but if you're working on an afternoon, you just do that, and if they call you know that you're working on it, you don't worry about it. And in here, this is where I can add it to my menu. So let's say student of the year. Let's go ahead and add that to my menu and see what's happened. Add page to menu, and it's are you sure? Yes. Okay. So where does it go? It's still here. Now it's saying yes, it's on my menu. And so when I go to my site menu, what I'm going to do is go look for it. And there it is, way at the bottom. So then I can pull it where I want. So this page exists. It wasn't on my menu before. Now it is. And then I can pull it where I want. And it is published. So, people can find it. So I want to say remove it. Or are you sure? Yes, I want to remove it from my menu. I'm not sure why that's such a big deal. I guess for the reason that you have to drag it in place again, and especially if your users are used to looking for it, but it's just as easily to put it back on the menu, if you happen to take one off by accident. So that is your pages. You can't establish links, but you can come in here and basically see every page that exists on your site, and manipulate it. And then again, you can add a new page. It will add it, give you the information. You can name it. Your slugs, that's the name of your page, has to be all lowercase, no spaces, and a hyphen between the words. So if I wanted to create one that was Annie Leger, it would be Annie Leger. Now, if you're renaming one, you need to know that. But if I start typing in, it should automatically put the name. But and then from here I can add it to the site menu. I can it's automatically unlocked, but if you are moderating pages, then you may want to lock pages and then just grant access to certain people, and we can touch on that later, but that is an option. So if you want to keep an intranet page that users cannot access, this is where you do it, and you can also do it from the menu and then hit submit. So that's kind of the gist of it.